I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering down and unplugging the PC. This prevents shorts and accidental startup. Once unplugged, open the case and ground yourself. Static kills components, so touch the chassis or use a wrist strap. Make sure to disconnect monitor cables from the GPU and route them away. This makes access easier. Remove any nearby obstruction and keep screws and small parts in a tray. Now that the system is dead and accessible, position lights for visibility and prepare to remove expansion slot fasteners. You should unscrew the PCI bracket screws while supporting the card with your other hand because GPUs are heavy and can strain the slot. Next, press the PCIe retention latch. You may need a fingernail or flat tool. Do it gently to avoid snapping the plastic. Before pulling the card out, unplug any 6/8-pin PCIe power connectors. This reduces drag and protects pins. Once connectors are free and the latch is disengaged, pull the card straight out with steady, even force to avoid bending the slot. After removal, inspect both the GPU edge and the motherboard PCIe slot for bent pins or dust. Compressed air can clear debris. When storing the card, place it in an anti-static bag and set it on a padded, non-conductive surface. If you're replacing or testing, reconnect power and monitor to integrated graphics or new card. If the system won't post, make sure power connectors and bracket screws are secure and try reseating the card. This fixes many contact issues. If problems persist, swap cables and test another known good PSU.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.